Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. Let's look at a 2021 230 Solstice by Harris. This 2021 230 Solstice by Harris is powered with a Mercury 4-stroke 225 engine. Lots of power, plenty of speed, very comfortable, quiet engine. Extended swim deck on the back. Large sun pad seating. This has got the sport arch on it. On the helm, you'll see that it has a lot of leg room underneath for long legs. Be able to stretch out in comfort. Tilt steering wheel, Simrad chart plotter GPS, swivel captain chair, dual armrests, lighting on the arch, ample cup holders in the boat, fantastic styling, a lot of detail in the stitching and upholstery work. This will conclude the 230 Solstice by Harris. By MarineMax Lake Norman. See me, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.